How to find your favorites on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to find your favorites on TikTok. So let's begin. The very first step that I would suggest is to make sure first that your TikTok app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your TikTok app. Once you have done that, simply open your TikTok app and then go to your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen. So on the older version of TikTok, you may be able to see the favorite section right here, right beside the edit profile. But on the newer version of TikTok or the updated one, you may be able to see your favorites right here. So on the very right side of the feed, the private, and then the likes, you may be able to see the favorite section right here. So right here, it has an upgraded look. You may have your collections, your favorite sound, your effects, your places, comments, questions, hashtags, and also your favorite products. So unlike the older version, it's just a plain favorite section. So right here, you may be able to see all the favorite videos. Also, you may create collections right here. For example, let's create one. You may name the collection as sample and then click on next. And right here, you may add your favorite videos and choose them. Click on add videos, and then it will be more organized than before. So that's it. That's how you can find your favorites on TikTok. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.